Hi everybody, this is Lori Lichman again, and this is part 3 of the 3 videos of how to basically combine using um, the Google Hangouts Meet and combining that with Screencastify to make a video for your students that have subtitles on the bottom in native language. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is click on Hangouts Meet and get that set and ready to go. I'm going to join in there, and there I am. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is turn on your captions. Okay, and as you can see, they're in English right now. But if you come back down here and right click on the captions icon, you can then set it to translate. So what you want to do here is to click the translate and then click change languages. And if it's not already set from English to Spanish, then click, or whatever language, if you're doing Swahili, you can click here to choose any other language. Click done. And as you may have noticed, all the subtitles at the bottom of the page are now in Spanish. So what I can do now then is use my Screencastify to make a recording. So now that I've got this open, I'm going to then click on my Screencastify icon up here in the corner, and that's going to pop up a box, as you can see. And you want to click on desktop and record. It'll count you down. Oh, sorry, you got to click on that box and then click share. And then it'll count you down. 3, 2, 1. And basically, what you need to do now is record your message to students. And if you speak very slowly, you'll see that the subtitles are essentially translating as you are speaking. So essentially, speak how you wish to, share your information with students. And when you're finished, you're going to click on this bottom icon here where it says stop sharing. You're going to click on that, and it's going to open a new window. And there's our video. And so what you'll do is copy a shareable link, and you can see that it's copied. And so what I have been doing with this is then just popping it into Canvas. So let's say, for example, if I did my morning meeting with students, then I can link to the website, click it in there, insert link, and when I save that, it's going to then show up to students as a video. And so then you can see how they see it. So that's how you use Screencastify and Google Meet together to make a video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Good luck!